Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to hide Instagram active status. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to turn on your Instagram active status, means if you want to hide your Instagram status, whether you are online or offline, then I will show you how to do this. First, you have to open your Instagram app. You can see here Instagram profile. I can tap on that. After that, you'll find here three horizontal lines in top right side corner. You have to just tap on that, scroll down. In this you can see how other can interact with you. Under this you will find first option, messages and story replies. You have to just tap on this. Here you can see who can see you are online. You have to just tap on this option. Show activity status. You have to tap on this option. In this you can see activity status. By default it is turned off. You have to just enable this option. After enabling, now you can hide your Instagram status. That's it guys. So in this way you can hide your Instagram active status in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.